Migrating your WordPress site to Cloudways is a straightforward process. Follow these steps for a successful migration. Create a Cloudways account. Sign up for a Cloudways account and choose your preferred cloud provider to set up a new server. Install the Cloudways Migrator plugin. On your existing WordPress site, install the Cloudways Migrator plugin from the WordPress repository. Generate migration details. Log into your Cloudways account. Navigate to the Applications section and select the application you just created. Click on the Migration tab to find the access key and SFTP details. Initiate migration. Go back to your WordPress site and open the Cloudways Migrator plugin. Enter the access key and SFTP details obtained from the Cloudways dashboard. Click the Migrate button. The plugin will begin transferring your website files and database to the Cloudways server. Update DNS settings. After the migration is complete, log into your domain register and update your DNS settings to point to your new Cloudways server. This typically involves changing the A record or name servers. Test your site. Once DNS propagation is complete, visit your website to ensure everything is working correctly.